Hello and welcome to our library. This is the open house presentation for Boonsville Elementary in San Antonio, Texas. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about myself as the new librarian for this school. Here's a little bit of information about me. My name is Melissa Boone. I have 15 years of classroom experience in every grade from pre-K through 5th. I have a Bachelor in Science and Interdisciplinary Studies from A&M San Antonio and a Master's degree in Library Sciences from the University of North Texas, as well as multiple other certifications. I live with my husband and 2 children who are 9 and 5 years old, and I am an information scientist and collaborator for student success. Librarians were kind of known as the keepers of the books, but our roles have changed over the years and we've become much more interactive. We wear a lot of hats as an educator. We're no longer just a librarian, but we are an interactive teacher with other teachers. So here are some hats that I would be wearing as an educator. I am an information literacy teacher. I teach all the standards and foster curiosity and teach how to evaluate resources in order to satisfy those curiosities. I am a reading advocate. I will be hosting events to create a lifelong love of reading and encourage reading across genres. So bringing in authors and just having the kids fall in love with reading. I am a program manager. I serve in various leadership roles on campus and I manage our collection and budget and I organize schedules. I'm a resource curator, which means I collect information. I locate award-winning books and media, curate an engaging collection, and seek new ways to share information. I'm an innovation leader. I teach lessons on technology and provide creative media for sharing learning. I'm an equity champion. I promote identity awareness and cultural relevance through representation through our resources. And I'm an event planner. I coordinate school-wide events that promote literacy and lead professional development. So how do I, as a librarian, impact student outcomes? Well, according to the American Association for School Librarians, or the AASL standards, we have 4 domains that we work through. We think, create, share, and grow. And within those domains, there are standards that fit in there. We teach students how to inquire. We include everybody and teach equity. We collaborate with teachers and parents to encourage students to become lifelong learners. We curate resources and media so that you have access to all sorts of information. We explore new ways to learn and new ways to teach, and we engage all students, parents, and our community. So as far as impacting student outcomes, using these standards, we are able to teach students how they learn and teach them to become self-dependent in thinking, and that allows them to become more successful learners with other educators or teachers. Well, as a librarian, I will be involved. I'm in the largest classroom in the building, and so I'm involved with teaching every student, every standard, every grade, and every subject. So I would be working with educators through preparation, gathering resources, evaluating media, managing devices, joining grade level PLCs or professional learning communities to help them prepare strong lessons to teach our students. I would collaborate with them in teaching, doing book talks, information media literacy lessons. I will have a maker space, literature circles, or teaching skills for inquiry. I would essentially be co-teaching with them so that we would have 2 teachers teaching an entire class to promote learning. And then when we're done, we would do a reflection so that we would work through assessments, debrief with my co-teachers, reflect and adjust, instruction, network, and I would be mentoring. So it takes a village to work with children. And so how can you help as a parent? Well, here's some opportunities for parent involvement this year. We will have parent learning nights where we will have different topics that we will be teaching the parents about, whether it's technology talks or whether it's curriculum based, so we can teach you what your students are learning or how they're learning, or just strategies to work with your students at home. There'll be family engagement nights. We'll be having a lot of fun engagement nights on the calendar that you can come and read and have fun and enjoy time with your students. And we will have lots of volunteering opportunities through book fair or coming in and working through the library. What programs will I offer? I'm going to have family reading nights, literacy engagement nights. I will have a maker space, which is a space for hands-on creativity and building through inquiry. Parent learning nights, as I mentioned before. There will be cultural events and opportunities to learn about our culture as well as others. We will have book clubs and different literacy events like book parades, book fairs, and seasonal projects. These are the resources that I use to create this site, and I look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.